Eating watermelon every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and negative, depending on the quantity consumed and your overall diet and lifestyle. Here are some things that can happen in your body when you eat watermelon daily. Hydration. Watermelon has a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for many bodily functions, including maintaining healthy skin, digestion, and regulating body temperature. Nutrient intake. Watermelon is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like lycopene. Consuming it daily can contribute to meeting your daily nutrient requirements. Weight management. Watermelon is relatively low in calories and can be a part of a calorie-controlled diet. It can help you feel full due to its high water and fiber content, potentially aiding in weight management. Digestive health. The fiber in watermelon can support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Antioxidant protection. Watermelon contains antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in watermelon can contribute to healthy skin. Vitamin C, in particular, is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain skin's elasticity and youthfulness. Blood pressure. Watermelon is a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. A diet rich in potassium may have a positive impact on heart health. Improved exercise performance. Some studies suggest that consuming watermelon or its juice may have a positive effect on exercise performance and muscle recovery due to its amino acid content, specifically citrulline. Sugar content. Watermelon contains natural sugars, so consuming excessive amounts can contribute to an increased intake of sugars, which may not be ideal if you have diabetes or are trying to manage your blood sugar levels. Caloric intake. While watermelon is low in calories, consuming excessive amounts can still contribute to your daily calorie intake, which may be a concern if you're trying to manage your weight. Digestive issues. In some cases, consuming large amounts of watermelon in a short period can lead to digestive discomfort, such as bloating or diarrhea due to its high water and fiber content. Allergies. Although rare, some individuals may be allergic to watermelon, which can result in allergic reactions such as itching, hives, or swelling.